Peace, family. Today, we talking about a weakness to most: fried chicken. Mm. Listen, fam. I know this is hard. You don't want to hear it. Listen, I used to love fried chicken. Before I knew better, give me some Popeyes, some KFC. Woo. Man, I used to go in, man. But from research and through life experience, fried foods, period, are deadly, man. They are deadly. Now think about this. Look at the conditions that the chickens that you go to the supermarket and buy, the conditions that these chickens are raised in before they get to the supermarket. Because they look all nice, packaged up, the plastic, the sticker, the logo, look nice and neat. But a lot of people don't see behind the scenes in these chicken farms. When they raised in these nasty conditions, all cooped up, they in their feces, they all packed together, and they can't even move. They going crazy because they can't move. They can't. Listen, chickens are supposed to be roaming free in the grass, walking around, doing their thing. Not cooped up in a cage, 1,000 of them packed in a little 5-foot cage on top of each other, fighting each other in their own feces, sitting there. They're not supposed to be like that. So these chicken farms, they raising these chickens in these horrible conditions to feed to us, to feed to you. Come on. Now, when they're in these conditions, they get sick, they get cancer, they get viruses, they get infections. And then once that happens, they got to inject them with all types of antibiotics. So they full of antibiotics, shoot them up with hormones to make them grow faster. And some of them grow so big, they can't even stand up on their own 2 legs because they will break. That's crazy. Now, we get these chickens from the store, bring them home, put them in white flour, batter them up, put them in oil, hot oil. Come on, hot oil. You put corn oil, canola oil, cooking oil, all these cooking oils, vegetable oil, and don't get it twisted. Olive oil is not better, all right? Because you take the oil, put it on the fire, heat it up, make it boil. This produces high amounts of omega-6, saturated fat, trans fat. You fry this food, fry the chicken. Listen, eating fried chicken clogs your arteries, hardens your arteries, cause them to close up, which can induce heart attack and stroke. Very dangerous. Very dangerous. Now, think about this, man. In low-income neighborhoods where I'm from, I used to live in South Jamaica, Queens, New York City. In these low-income neighborhoods, on every other corner, you got the fried chicken spot, the Chinese food spot, all of these little fast food spots, chicken spots on every corner in these low-income neighborhoods. Why do you think that is? I'm going to let you figure that out. I'm not going to go too deep right now. But, family, fried chicken, fried fish even, fried foods, period. These things are definitely not made for consumption. Animal proteins. Listen, truth be told, chicken has no real nutrients. There's no real nutritional value in eating flesh foods. I'm just being honest, man. They say, oh, you need protein. You can get your protein from plant foods. And that's a fact. A potato, for instance, has just as much protein as a 7-ounce steak. Do your own research, fam. Do your own research. Fried chicken? Nah, no good. No good. French fries, all that. It's no good. Give your body foods that it can benefit from, not foods that will hurt it. I know the truth hurts. I know some of us might not like this video, but it's the truth. Well, fam, this one was just a quick, something I had on my mind to share with the people. Please like, subscribe, share, and thank y'all for dropping in. Until next time, peace.